Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. If you're going through hell, keep going. Now, this is not the end. It is not even the beginning of the end, but it is, perhaps, the end of the beginning. The best argument against democracy is a 5-minute conversation with the average voter. To improve is to change. To be perfect is to change often. Success consists of going from failure to failure, without loss of enthusiasm. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Never, never, never give up. Never in the field of human conflict was so much owed by so many to so few. You can always count on Americans to do the right thing after they've tried everything else. A lie gets halfway around the world before the truth has a chance to get its pants on. I may be drunk, miss, but in the morning I will be sober, and you will still be ugly. History will be kind to me, for I intend to write it. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak. Courage is also what it takes to sit down and listen. If Hitler invaded hell, I would make at least a favorable reference to the devil in the House of Commons. The truth is incontrovertible. Malice may attack it, ignorance may deride it, but in the end, there it is. Kites rise highest against the wind, not with it. I am fond of pigs. Dogs look up to us, cats look down on us, pigs treat us as equals. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity. An optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. The price of greatness is responsibility. Russia is a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma. Socialism is a philosophy of failure, the creed of ignorance and the gospel of envy. Its inherent virtue is the equal sharing of misery. Victory at all costs, victory in spite of all terror, victory however long and hard the road may be, for without victory there is no survival. All the great things are simple, and many can be expressed in a single word: freedom, justice, honor, duty, mercy, hope. We have always found the Irish a bit odd. They refuse to be English. An appeaser is one who feeds a crocodile, hoping it will eat him last. Nothing in life is so exhilarating as to be shot at without result. In wartime, truth is so precious that she should always be attended by a bodyguard of lies. We are masters of the unsaid words, but slaves of those we let slip out. The farther backward you can look, the farther forward you can see. Courage is rightly esteemed the first of human qualities, because it is the quality which guarantees all others. To build may have to be the slow and laborious task of years. To destroy can be the thoughtless act of a single day. I am an optimist. It does not seem too much use being anything else. I have taken more out of alcohol than alcohol has taken out of me. We shape our buildings. Thereafter they shape us. I am always ready to learn, although I do not always like being taught. It is no use saying we are doing our best. You have got to succeed in doing what is necessary. Mr. Attlee is a very modest man. Indeed, he has a lot to be modest about. Ending a sentence with a preposition is something up with which I will not put. Solitary trees, if they grow at all, grow strong. Without tradition, art is a flock of sheep without a shepherd. Without innovation, it is a corpse. My most brilliant achievement was my ability to be able to persuade my wife to marry me. If we open a quarrel between past and present, we shall find that we have lost the future. History is written by the victors. No one can guarantee success in war, but only deserve it. This is no time for ease and comfort. It is time to dare and endure. A fanatic is one who can't change his mind and won't change the subject. The empires of the future are the empires of the mind.